Hello everyone, and welcome to Valinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through resolving the "some security settings are missing or have been changed" error in Windows. And now, let's get started. If you are encountering the error message stating that some security settings are missing or have been changed, do not worry. We have several solutions to help you fix this. The first and simplest step is to restart your computer. Right-click on the Start button, select Shutdown or Sign Out, and then choose Restart. If a restart does not resolve the issue, the next step is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the System tab, then scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. From the Troubleshoot page, select Other Troubleshooters. Locate the Windows Update Troubleshooter and click on Run. Another effective solution is to perform an SFC scan. In the Windows search bar, type Command Prompt, and then click on Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt window opens, type the command SFC//Scannow and press Enter. This will initiate the System File Checker scan to find and repair corrupted system files. Finally, if the previous solutions do not work, you can consider resetting your PC. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings. Go to the System tab, and on the left-hand pane, scroll down and select Recovery. On the right pane, click on Reset PC. You will then have the option to choose Remove Everything. For the installation method, select Cloud Download. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.